Okay, in this video, I am going to show you how to wrap perfect triangular samosas. Now, for this particular video, I am not going to show you how to make the actual samosa wrappers because those can be purchased at any ethnic grocery store. And they just look like this. Now, if you don't get samosa wrappers, then you can just use Chinese spring roll wrappers and then cut them into 3 long rectangles. Now for the folding of the wrappers so that you make perfect equilateral triangle wrappers like this. First, we need a glue paste, which is a mixture of flour and water. And then we also need our filling. Place the samosa wrapper so that the shortest side is closest to you, making sure that you place the rest of the wrappers under a wet paper towel to prevent drying. Now take the left corner of the rectangle and place it towards the center of the rectangle, making sure that there's a little triangle that overextends on the right side of the rectangle. Now what we're going to do is put some flour paste on the folded section that is facing us. And this will act as a glue when we start folding. Now at this apex, this is where we're going to start folding our triangle. So we're going to fold it along the line of the fold so that it creates a perfect equilateral triangle, and you'll be able to see the extra little triangle on the top there. This is where we're going to use our thumb and hold it down while we fill the samosa cone. Now we're going to take a spoonful of filling and insert it into a cone. And a nice trick is to insert it so the back of the spoon then faces you and all the filling will go into the cone without falling out. And then we'll just pat it all in so that we have a nice substantial amount of filling there. And then just press it in so that it's all secure. Now we enclose the filling by folding along the sides of the triangle, and make sure that you overlap the corners ever so slightly so that none of the filling comes out during the frying process. And then you'll end up having this extra piece of wrapper that you're then going to add some more flour paste and fold it onto the samosa. And here you'll have a perfect equilateral triangle samosa. Now you can either fry it or bake it as a healthy option. Enjoy the samosas. More recipes can be found on SammyWong'sKitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!